Would you guys want to flash forward your life?
Oh shit!
What's up, guys? My name is Sam Becker, and today I'm kicking down trees. Yeah, that's all this video is gonna be about. No, just kidding. Anyway, today I actually just wanted to share some random thoughts with you guys. I saw Click was on Netflix, and I hadn't seen that movie in a while, so I thought, why not? Let's throw it on. Some of you are familiar with the concept of the movie. The whole idea behind it is basically a universal remote that controls the universe for the character that Adam Sandler is playing. So he's able to pause and fast forward life and rewind and whatever, all that stuff. And I was thinking to myself, would I want to fast forward my life? No. I would not, because going through all the hardships and difficult experiences have made me the person that I am today. And I think by going through those moments, it pushes you to be the person that you want to be, and you learn from all those different experiences, and it makes you just truly appreciate who you are, where you came from, and what you've done to get to where you are. A lot of people just get stuck in the concept of getting to the goal, getting to the end goal, and while yes, that's always like the most exciting part of it, people tend to forget the entire journey. Like, you've seen that map where it's like not map, that little meme, and it's like, you know, here's you, and here's the goal, right? But in between, it's like everyone thinks it's just constant growth, when in reality, life takes you up and down, below and sideways and backwards and forward and all those things, right? Sorry, probably just disoriented a lot of people doing that. So yeah, basically I just wanted to share this with you in hopes that it would inspire you to embrace the hardships and the journey that you're on, whatever it may be, so that you can just keep your eyes on the prize, is something I like to say to myself all the time, because it helps keep you motivated to continue what you're doing, even though you might be dealing with a difficult situation. And those difficult situations will always come to an end at some point or another. So just keep writing it out, keep your eyes on the prize, and I hope that you reach your goals sooner than expected. You never know. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and hearing me out with these random thoughts. I hope they were helpful in some way or another. For some reason, I felt like this was worth sharing. So let me know your thoughts down below. And as always, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that little bell. I appreciate it. And I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks, guys.